Hi, I just really wanted to quickly tell you about my new bicycle pumps that have just arrived. Probably one of the smallest pumps around, but still a very high pressure pump. I got a black and a red. I do like the red, it's rather snazzy. I use it primarily for pumping up my bicycle tyres. It's got all the equipment that you need. It comes with everything that you need. For example, it's got the little levers here to get the tyres off if you get a puncture. If you do get a puncture, there's a little two pads here which you can cover the holes with, and it's got that scraper thing to make sure there's no debris around the actual puncture itself, so the stickers stick on there. No glue needed, which is great. Little attachment there, I use that for blowing up the footballs we use in the family. And I told you about the levers. Oh, this is quite good. This enables you to attach this to your bike, and it just sort of slips in there so you can carry it around with you. It fits the Presta and Schrader valves on the inner tubes, so it doesn't matter which type you use. Very easy to use, and it's got all the instructions here as well. Really cheap, well made. It feels really well made, very sturdy, and as I say, the beauty of it really is its size. You can carry it around on your bike, or you could even stick it in your pocket as well. These are the fun pumps, and I highly recommend them.
The Road Morph G combines the efficiency and power of a floor pump with the lightweight and portable design of a mini pump. The clever fold-out foot pad and T-handle increase stability, comfort, and efficiency. The flexible air hose helps take stress off the valve stem while pumping, while the inline gauge accurately measures the pressure. When finished, the Road Morph G transforms back into its original compact shape and securely mounts to the bike. The Road Morph G is the perfect pump for general road riding, touring, and commuting, and is recommended for pressures up to 160 psi or 11 bar.